In this video, I will show you how to cancel CyberGhost VPN subscription. First, go to the CyberGhost website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Help section. At the top of the Help page, you will see a Submit a Request button. Click on it. This will take you to a form where you need to fill in your details in order to request a cancellation. The form will ask for your personal information, email address, and, most importantly, your reference number, which is usually connected to your subscription. Make sure to enter it correctly. Next, select your device type and operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or any other platform. You may also enter your country, although this part is optional. After that, you'll need to fill in the subject and message. In the subject line, simply write "Cancel subscription." In the message box, clearly state that you want to cancel your CyberGhost subscription and, if applicable, request a refund. You may also include your customer or CSI ID if you have one, as well as any screenshots or documents that support your request. Once you've double-checked all the information, click Submit. After submitting the form, you just need to wait for the CyberGhost support team to reply. They will guide you through the remaining steps to fully cancel your subscription and process any eligible refunds. And that's it. Your cancellation request will be handled by the CyberGhost support team. Now, before we wrap up, if you're using CyberGhost VPN on your Samsung TV, you might notice that sometimes the connection can be a bit inconsistent or the speed drops depending on the server you choose. That's pretty common with most VPNs when streaming or gaming on smart TVs. So if you're looking for something that performs a bit better overall, NordVPN is the best choice. It offers faster speeds, more stable connections, and extra features that make gaming smoother. I have included a link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.